Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture from page number 173. Question number 9. Construct triangle ABC with the measure AB is equal to 5.4 centimeter. Measure BC is equal to 4.6 centimeter. Measure angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Using ruler and compass only bisect the angle of a triangle. Verify whether the bisectors pass through the same points. All students should write all steps of construction of this diagram. First, draw a line segment AB to 5.4 centimeter. Step 1. Then step 2, at point B construct angle of 45 degree with the help of compass. Angle of 45. Step 3, with a B as a center, mark another arc of radius 4.6 centimeter which intersect angle arm at point C. At point C. Step 4, join A and C. So, angle ABC is the required triangle. By step 5, bisect the angle of triangle. All these angle bisectors pass through the same point O. Question 11. Construct the triangle ABC with the measure AB is equal to measure BC is equal to 4 centimeter and measure angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. First step, draw a line segment AB is equal to 4 centimeter. Step 2, construct angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Step 3, with a B as a center, mark another arc of radius 4 centimeters so that it intersects angle arm at point C. And step 4, join C to A and angle ABC is the required triangle. Question 11, required triangle. Multiple choices. Question number 13. Correct answer from the given option. First, 60 degree. Second, equilateral. Third, right angle. Fourth, B, option B. Fourth, option B. And fifth, option A, the length of the base.